Installing anti-gravity is surprisingly simple. Just go to Google's AI Studio or the anti-gravity landing page, download the installer, and enable it inside your IDE. During the setup, you connect the models you want to use, add your API keys, create your initial workspaces, and configure how anti-gravity interacts with your local files. Once the setup is done, the entire AI system becomes accessible from your command palette, meaning you can trigger advanced features instantly while coding. The first major feature is the Agent Manager, and honestly, this alone feels like the future. Think of it as a control room inside your IDE, where multiple AI agents run at the same time, handling different tasks for you. You open it with Command+E or by clicking Open Agent Manager. Inside the Agent Manager, you can start new conversations, reference specific folders or entire codebases, attach screenshots or images, switch between conversation modes, plan mode, fast mode, dev mode, etc. Choose your model: Claude, GPT, Gemini, and more practical example, 1 minute. Imagine you're working on a full website, UI in React backend in Node authentication service on the side, and a messy landing page that needs redesigning. You can ask Anti-Gravity, scan the entire codebase and give me a full architecture summary. It will create a structured breakdown of every file, component, service, and dependency. At the same time, you can open a second conversation and ask, analyze my landing page folder and recommend UI/UX improvements. And both agents will work in parallel. So you're not waiting for one task to finish. You're multitasking on an AI level. This is where anti-gravity becomes a real orchestrator instead of a single AI chat. Next is the browser agent, and this is honestly wild. This feature allows anti-gravity to open a built-in browser window, interact with your live application, and run visual tests automatically. The browser agent can inspect your website, navigate through pages, test user flows, capture screenshots, compare designs, and generate an entire UX review. Detailed example, 45 seconds. Let's say you're building a bookkeeping dashboard. You can ask the browser agent, log in, open every page, capture screenshots, detect layout issues, and tell me where the UX breaks. It will log in automatically, visit all subpages, capture and label screenshots, identify inconsistent styling, suggest improvements, and even generate a detailed design audit. This turns hours of manual UI testing into a few minutes of automated analysis. Anti-gravity doesn't lock you into one AI model. It supports Claude for deep analysis, GPT for creativity and refactoring, Gemini 3 for research and planning. And others, you can switch models per task. Example, you can tell Claude, add a featured projects section to my landing page and fix missing thumbnails. And Claude will update your code files directly inside the IDE. Or you can use GPT to rewrite descriptions, restructure components, or debug backend logic. This flexibility makes anti-gravity extremely powerful for different types of workflows. Section 5. Full Development Workflow, 1.5 minutes. Here's the recommended workflow for best accuracy and speed. Step 1. Write your prompt or requirement, whether it's a feature, bug fix, refactor, or design change. Step 2. Switch to plan mode. This generates a detailed multi-step task list, just like a senior engineer would do before coding. Step 3. Execute tasks using your chosen model. Pick Claude, GPT, or Gemini, depending on the task. Step 4. Use the browser agent to validate results. Check UI changes, verify flows, and catch issues visually. Step 5. Review, refine, and repeat. Anti-gravity keeps the entire project context in memory, so refinement becomes easier each time. This loop replaces manual planning, manual coding, manual testing, manual reviewing with a single AI-driven pipeline. Anti-gravity can also generate commit messages automatically. It analyzes your stage changes and generates a clear commit title, a detailed commit body summaries of file changes, bullet points for clarity. You click once, and you're done. No more writing commit messages manually. No more guessing what changed. Just clean, accurate version control. X. So to recap, in this video we explored the Agent Manager, a full multi-agent orchestration system. The Browser Agent, automated UI testing and validation, multi-model support, Claude, GPT, Gemini, all inside your IDE. The complete workflow, prompts, planning, execution, validation, refinement, AI commit messages, fast, accurate, automatic anti-gravity is more than a plugin. It's a complete AI-powered development environment that handles planning, coding, testing, and optimization, all without leaving your IDE. If you want to experience next-level productivity or just vibe code with AI, anti-gravity is easily one of the most powerful tools available right now.